Hi, I'm Natalie. I'm a licensed esthetician and I am having a self-care day today. So I just got out of the shower after using my Regeneris Medical Spa Pro Clear Cleanser. This has 10% glycolic acid, but it's not too spicy because it has hyaluronic acid and seaweed extract. And now I'm going to be doing an at-home CO2 lift mask. I did a chemical peel earlier this week and I have a trip this weekend. So I am trying to be all healed up before that, and this CO2 lift mask is great for that. So you just have to mix the 2 packets of the mask together, and those 2 packets, when mixed, they actually create CO2 gas. This is a super advanced jelly mask, but I am doing this because this is going to help bring oxygen-rich blood to the surface of my skin and aid in extra healing. It's going to cut the downtime of my chemical peel in half, and it is great for anti-aging as well. But I love how this feels. It is like a fun little frosting a cake situation I have going on. And I am going to leave this on for 45 minutes. And then I am going to have glowing skin ready for my trip to Miami this weekend.